In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert features to point, line, and polygon using ArcMap application. So I'm going to show you the data that we're going to use. I'm going to use this data here, and you can see how the station, northing, and easting. We're going to import this data into ArcMap, and so let's go back to ArcMap, and up above here we're going to click on this add data and navigate to desktop, because that particular data is in the desktop, and then we click add. Now right click on the Excel in the imported CSV, and we're going to select display XY data, and here we need to specify what your data stands for. So we saw that we have X is easting, so here we need to change this to easting, and Y field is nothing, so we are leaving Y as nothing, and we need to specify the coordinate system. So here this data, I know it's in Casino world, so I'm going to select that and click OK, and I'm going to click OK. Then okay, now we have the data here. So let me first of all create a folder that we're going to hold the shapefile. So I'll call this shapefile, and then go back to ArcMap. So we're going to export this data to shapefile. So it's basically we're converting this to shapefile. So I'll right click, and then under data just click export data. So here you navigate to where you want to store, and we have created a shapefile folder, and I'll call this points, and click save. So I'll just save, and I want to add the point layer there, right there. So I don't need this anymore, I'll just remove it. And before I proceed, just let me just save. I'll save it in the desktop and call this project conversion, or just feature. Like so. Now let's first of all change a few things about these points. So I'll give the size to 10, and the color I'll choose purple, like that, and we're going to label these points. So I'll right click on the point feature, go to properties, and make sure that you click on the labels tab and make sure that you check this label feature in this layer. I'm going to change the color to match the points, and here I'll select the size 10 and click apply and OK, like so, and save. Now we want to have a line joining these points. We can basically digitize that, but there's also a different method. So up above here, click on Arc toolbox and go look for data management tools, expand on it, and go to features, expand features, and the tool that we're looking for is line to points. It's line to points. Let me just search it here. Points to line. Points to line, sorry. So let me expand that toolbox again. So points to line, it's here. So points to line, you double click on that, And before we even proceed, let me just make one thing clear. You right click on open attribute table of your points and make sure that all your points have the donating and the eastings. And you can add that by adding feature. Just click up above here and you can add field, and you can call, let's call this n, and you can specify, let's say double, and click OK. Now you can have your field, or you can have this calculate your nothing. Just right click and click calculate geometry, click yes, and here you specify y coordinates and click OK. Yes. So if you don't have your nothing, you can click that and generate like that. You can do the same for easting. Right click, add field, call it easting. I'll call that X, double, and OK. Then I highlight that particular column, go to calculate geometry. This time around I'll leave X coordinate of points, so you click that and click yes. But since I have this, I'll just delete the fields. So let's proceed. We're saying we're now going to have to join these points, and we're going to use our toolbox. So go to points to line, double click on it. The features that we're going to join are points. So you click on points, just a little bit of time so that I can load there. And here the output feature class, you're going to select, or we're going to specify the working space, and I'll call that lines. Just save. I'll leave everything else as default, although I can say I want the line closed line, so it's up to you to either select or leave it. For this case, I'm going to choose closed line, and I'll click OK. And let the process proceed so that you can have the lines. Now you can see you have the lines. You can do a little bit of changes here. I'm going to do the width of 1.5. Also, I can change color so that you can have red lines like so. Save your work, and we have the points joined by these lines. So what if you want to have a polygon? You want to convert these lines to a polygon. Go back to your toolbox, expand on data management tool, go to features, and look for features to polygon. Feature to polygon. Double click on that. So we're going to load our lines, and we're going to specify a working space, and we call that polygon. So I'll click save and leave everything else as default, and then click OK, and give it time to process that. So now you can see you have the polygon. Where you have the polygon, you can change the color as you wish. So we have that. You can also convert polygon to point. You can have a centroid point inside this polygon. You can do that also by just going back to toolbox, expand data management, go to features. This time around it's feature to points. Double click on feature to point, load your polygon, specify that and call centroid. Click save and click OK. You can see you have that point right there, so we can change that. Let's have that. So we have that point there. So that's how you can actually convert different features. You can transform different features. So point to polygon, polygon to line, like so, in using ArcMap. So that's all for today, and see you in the next one.